Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 wireless doorbells. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Magicfly Wireless Doorbell. Excellent materials keeps itself from getting higher temperature. 52/16 cord, elegant melodies. Stable wireless transmitting range, 200 meters. All products pass CE, FCC, RoHS approval. 4 levels of adjustable sound volume. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. SadoTech CXR. Our doorbells are great looking. 2 transmitter buttons, triggers, rings, 1 chime unit. This is a C-series SadoTech wireless doorbell. Elderly care patient that needs to be able to ring. Alert, a single main chime unit from 2 rooms. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. SadoTech Crosspoint. Now with new and improved chime/ringtones. Base start kit includes 2 plug-in receivers. Alert network with 20 plus additional receivers. Custom build your own system that fits for your needs. Easy to use pairable code technology allows you to mix. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Remo and Remo Bell. Video doorbell that allows you to greet your guest from a phone. Receive push notifications to your phone when visitors are at your door. 2-way audio communication enables you to communicate. Infrared night vision ensures you never miss activity at your doorway. See recent activity and watch recorded cloud videos from the Remo Bell app. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Announcements to echo devices when your doorbell is pressed or motion is detected. Allowing you to hear and speak to visitors with 2-way talk. Hear and speak to visitors from your phone. Requires hardwired installation to existing doorbell wires. Monitors your home in 1080 HD video. Please check the description for details and best price.